Hello everyone, here we have another video for the chapter linear equation in two variables. In this video we are going to study about the equations which are reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. So sometimes we come across a pair of equations which are not linear, but we can reduce them to a linear form by making suitable substitutions. Let's take some example. Here we have a pair of equations which are not linear, but we can reduce it to the linear form. Similarly, here we have another pair of equations which are again not linear, but we can make suitable substitutions. Now we are going to take questions based on them. So I have question number 1. Solve 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13. 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. Now if we just see these equations, I can write these equations as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equal to 13. The other equation can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equal to minus 2. Now just observe this carefully. After we can make a substitution here, and that substitution will be put 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So your equations becomes 2u plus 3v equal to 13, 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to solve these equations by any of the method which you have learned in the previous videos. I'm going to solve this by elimination method. I have made the coefficient of u same. After making the coefficient of u same, I have subtracted the two equations. See, 10u plus 15v equal to 65, 10u minus 8v equal to minus 4. Change the sign, minus, then plus, then plus. So when you subtract the two equations, you get 23v equal to 69. So v is equal to 69 upon 23, which means v is equal to 3. Now, what was your v? V was 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to v is equal to 3. So what is y? Y is equal to 1 by 3. Now after getting the value of y, what I will do is, or I have to find the value of x. So in one of the equation, I have substituted the value of v here. The v was 3. So 10u minus 8 into 3 is equal to minus 4. So 10u is equal to 24 minus 4, which is 20. So u is equal to 2, which means x is equal to 1 by u. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the solution is? The solution is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So we move on to the next question. Solve 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. Now here we can easily observe the substitution. So my substitution is, put 1 upon x minus 1 equal to u, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. So your equation changes to 5u plus v equal to 2, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Now again we are going to solve this by any of the method. Now just observe, if I multiply the first equation by 3, the coefficients of u will be the same, but they are opposite in sign. So let's multiply that. After multiplying, I don't need to subtract the two equations as the coefficients are of opposite sign. See, one in the first equation you have plus 3v, in the second equation you have minus 3v. So we just add the two equations instead of subtracting. So 21u is equal to 7, so u is equal to 1 by 3. So what we have, x minus 1 is equal to 1 by u, which is equal to 3. So 3x will be equal to 3 plus 1, so x is equal to 4. Now I will put I will find the value of the other variable. What was u? U was 1 by 3. I have substituted in one of the equation, and v comes out to be 2 minus 5 by 3. Take the LCM. 6 minus 5, 1, so 1 by 3. So v is 1 by 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 1 by v is equal to 3. So y will be 2. So here I have my solution. My solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now I take another question based on this. Question number 3. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Now here we can make the substitution 1 upon x plus y equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. So again we have the equations. 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. 15u minus 5v equal to minus 2. Now again we solve them. Make the coefficient of u same. Subtract the two equations. I get 16v is equal to 16. So v is equal to 1. Now I have put the value of v and I have calculated the value of u. 10u plus 2 equal to 4. So 10u is equal to 2 and u is equal to 2 by 10, which is 1 by 5. Now after that, here I have 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and u was 1 by 5, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v, which is equal to 1. So just if I cross multiply these equations, the first and the last, I get x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now again I have to solve these two equations. Solving these two equations, I have just added the equation as y gets cancelled. I get 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3. So put in any one of the equation, I get y is equal to 2. So my solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now we have another question. I'm just giving you a hint of this question. Now observe this question carefully. What my substitution will be? 1 upon under the root of x, it will be equal to u, and 1 upon under the root of y will be equal to v. Now you can easily solve this question. Let's take another question in which I am giving you the hint. See this question. So my substitution is 1 upon 3x plus y is u and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. Hope you are able to understand. If you have any queries, you can write them in the comment section. Thank you.